Hello friends, welcome to Tech Easy YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Linux file permission. So let's see. So we are going to manage permissions in Linux. So each basic permission is same for all Linux. Okay, it's uh, include like if you are using Debian based Linux, then it's also same. If you are using the Red Hat Enterprises Linux 9. So for now, I am going to use this command on rel 9. Okay. So basic permissions are basically same for all the Linux, and also you can say uh, advanced permissions are also same. So these all permissions are the same in most of the Linux distribution. Okay. So I am going to practice on real line. So let's see about basic permissions. Like first command is always you already know, which is chmod. So chmod command is the most important command to manage the permission in any Linux based operating system. Okay, or any Unix based operating system. This command is also same for the any Unix based operating system. Like if we talk about IBM AIX and Solaris and many more. Okay. So what does chmod command do? Like basic permission can include chmod. So most important command is chmod. So chmod just change the permission of any file or directory. And ch1, chgrp, grp are also part of basic permission, but they change the ownership of any specified file or directory at either on user level, either on group level. Okay. So what is the basic syntax of chmod? So your syntax is like chmod, and we can specify the permission and the resource on which we want to give the permission. Okay. So like here we can see that chmod 740 is up and file name is file2. Okay. Here we are applying the 740 permission and file2. So same way there is another method for specifying the same permission. So what are basically these are identical permission 740, and these are two different way how we can specify the permission in Linux. Okay, so what are the two different way? First one is the absolute or octal or numeric mode of specifying file permission or file or directory permission, and second one is the symbolic method. Okay, first one is numeric, and second one is symbolic. As per your convenience, you can either you can learn all of these name, you can just say numeric mode. Okay, so like there are three access level. Okay, read, write, and execute. As read has absolute or numerical value is 4, and write has absolute value 2, and execute has absolute value 1. You have to always remember these things. Okay, and also uh, each identity like user can have three different identity. Like each entity can belong in uh, uh, three identity, belong from three identity, either from user and either from two and either from other. Okay, so first of leftmost is the user section, and second uh, from left, or we can say middle, is one for group section, and last or rightmost is for other section. Okay, like here we can see that 7 is for user section, and 4 is for group, and 0 is for others. Okay, like here we can see that 7 is for user, and 4 is for group, and 0 is for others. So here this can be represented in UGO. Okay, so you can see that. Now you can understand that this is the user, and here U represent the user, and G represent the group, and O represent the others. So the 7 here we can see that like 7 is assigned to user, and its sum of like 4 to 1. It means read, uh, write, and execute. Okay, and it gave the full access. Okay, for user, and 4 is assigned to the group, and the sum of 4 is like 4 plus 0 plus 0. It means it has only read permission, like read values 4. You have to also remember this, like the user has 6, then it have read and write. Group has like here 644. This is the example. Okay, in this example, like you can see that I already tell this example. So if we talk about this example, then we can say file to like user has read and write access only. User is not able to execute that file. So and group has read only permission, and also all other have user have read only permission. So here we can see that as I already told you, read is represented as R, and write is represented as W, and execute is represented by X symbol. So this is for symbolic mode. You can either choose any one of them, or you can choose numeric mode, or you can choose symbolic mode. Okay. So if you want to use symbolic mode, then we have to also learn this um, access level and the symbol used for representing that access level. Okay. So here, like user is represented in as U, and group is as G, and other is other are as O. Okay. And here we, if you want to, in symbolic mode, if you want to uh, if, we have some operators like plus, minus, and equal to. So if you want to give or increase any permission uh, with uh, current permission, so we can use the symbol plus. If you want to remove uh, any level of access, if you want to remove any permission, uh, any current permission, then we can use the minus symbol. If you want to set a level of access, then we can use the equal to symbol. Okay, these are the three operators which are used in symbolic. Okay, sometimes people found symbolic modes more harder than absolute mode or numeric mode. So I just here explaining all this so that you know what are the two different modes of specifying or changing file permission in Linux. So these are the two modes. Like here, some examples are already here. Like chmod o minus r. So o minus r file to what this command will do. What this command will do. Like it removes the read permission from file to for others. Okay, like o represent the others, and minus r means you are going to remove read permission from others. Okay, so what this command will do, like g plus rw. So here uh, we are just increasing the read write permission for file 2 for only group users. Okay, and only group. So, so this is the simple thing. So here you can say that what this command do. It recursively change the resources directory permission, resource directory, and it's also containing files permission uh, with each specified symbolic value. Like for other, it will give the read write execute permission. For group, it will increase read write permission and group for group user, and for others, it will remove for all permission is present, and it will set it to 0. Okay. For numerical example, we can just change this command with we can replace this command with chmod -r, and sorry, here I mistakenly written you. So you is used for the user. So here we can just give the same permission, and for group it gives only the read write permission. It increases with read write. Okay, so it means it have group have right now read write is equal to yes 6. Okay, and other have 0 permission or resources. Okay, so let without wasting time, let's see. So I am going to turn on my virtual machine, and we will see the practical. Okay, it's restoring my virtual machine state. So wait for some moment. Now, okay, now we are in our web 9. You can see that I am using Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.2 for this practical session. Okay, this is Enterprise Linux 9.2. So just first go to the CD directory. Now what we will do, uh, we will here change for first of all create a user. So here I want to create a username demo. Sorry, let's check create a username. Manish. Okay, it's saying user already exist. Okay, so we can create a username with another name like demo. Okay, now we just specify the name or password for that. So we just added a password. Okay, I got a phone. So I'm just stopping this video. And we will switch to this demo user. Okay, now we are switched into the demo user. Now we create two files here, like that, file 1 and file 2. Okay, that cannot touch file 1, permission denied. Okay, why this saying permission denied? Okay, we are not in home directory app user demo, so we have to go there first of all. So just go to the, let's check where we are right now. We are in root. So in root directory, we don't have permission to create this. Okay, because here only root user can create any file or so file or directory. So we will create an uh, user demo user home directory. Okay, right now demo is the other permission is applied for user demo. So what we can do now, just we have to cd home. Okay, let's here. This demo is here. Yes. Now we can just cd to demo. Now here we are able to create this file. Okay, so these all are important. So you can also face this type of situation. So why? So now here you can see that here we created the file 1 and file 2 right now. So what we are going to do, just we are going to just we want to see the what is the default permission for this file. So let's give the command ls. We can use ls, either ls hyphen ld and file name. Okay, so what it shows, it shows user has read and write permission but not execute, and others have and group have only read permission, and also other have only read permission. Okay, so we can say that here uh, we can simply say that here we get by default permission for file 1 each 644. Okay, so right now what we can do, let uh, if you want to if this file 1 is the, suppose this file 1 is the an executable file, like let's create one more executable file like any script file. So just give the command, let we want to create with the vi. So vi or nano can be used as per your convenience. Let we are going to use nano for right now. Okay, nano bash dot sh. Okay, now we write here a simple script like here bin bash Okay, and here we will get echo. Hello, this is sample script. Okay, just now control S and control X. Let's check the permission for this. So we can just use the lsfnld. Okay, ls hyphen l tr r. So it will show the all file permission. So like here we can see that bash.sh also got the same permission, same default permission, which is the read and write for current user, and for group it gave only read permission, and for others it also gave the read permission. Okay, so any user can read read this, like, and group user also can only read this script, and also user is not able to execute this. Let's try to execute this. So what it will show. So it's saying permission denied error. So why it's saying permission denied error? Because here it did not, we this user did not have execute permission for this script. Okay, so how we can resolve this issue? So we have to use chmod command. So we can just use the chmod if you want to just change for user, and if you want to extend the permission, so we can just use the u plus x in symbolic uh, for which file bash.sh. Okay, let's check the output of ls-ltr. Okay, right now it shows read or write execute is applied for the user. So it just plus symbol just increases the value by x for user only. Okay, so now you can see that this is an executable file. Okay, now this if you also watch very carefully by paying attention, then its color is also changed right now. So let if we trying to execute, then we see if we are getting the same error or not, permission denied error. Okay, let we want to execute this. So just so yes, our script is executed successfully. Right now we are successfully able to execute this script. So hello, this is sample script. Okay, so in this manner we can also achieve, like if you want to if don't if you want to decrease the execute permission from the same file, so what we can do? So we have to just use the chmod uh, u minus x. So here we want to just minus. You can simply say that we want to decrease the value with uh, means we want to just decrease the execute value from the current value. Okay, which is applied for current users. Okay, for which directory, for which file, which file is best.sh. Okay, one more time, let's check the output here. Right now, we can see that here it decreases the execute value. It basically deleted the execute value. Like here from here, it will match this. Here read write execute all permission is here, but here read and write permission is here for user. Okay. So if you want to do Same thing by using the command like any numeric disk command. So what we can do? So first of all, we have to check the permission. Like if you don't want to just change the permission for everyone, like user, group, and owner, others also. So we have to first check the permission by using the like ls hyphen ls hyphen ltr, and we can also we are just want to see about best dot access. Okay, so here we have to first check the current permission, and then we have to apply the new permission. Okay, so how we can change it now by using by specifying the numeric value. So 7. Well, like I already explained here. So 7 means 4 for read and 2 for write and 1 for execute. So read, write, execute. So 7 denote read, write, execute for user section. And here we just for now we don't want to change the permission of group and other sections. So here we just specify 744. Okay, 4 means just we want to give the read permission for others and for groups. Okay, so here just we give the same, and we will check it by using this command. Now we can see that 744 is here. So here for user right now permission is read write execute, and for group and others permission is same read and read. Okay, that's how we can just change it according to our need. Let's see each other user is able to execute this bash assets or not. So what we can do, just we are going to switch to another user, which is okay. Okay, now we are at sort of check the ls command out. Okay, it's saying permission denied. Why? Because we if we check the output of pwd, then we are in home directory of demo user. Okay, so that's why here we are not able to use any other command. Okay, ls command is also not running here because other have zero permission for any other home directory. So what we can do right now? So just first of all, let's switch to the demo, and I will show the permission. Okay, so here like we just want to cd dot and ls here. Okay, here is demo user. Let's check the permission of demo users right now. So here, so okay, it says read, write, execute is for only user demo. Okay, demo can read, write, execute, and other has zero permission. Okay, it means other did not have any permission, but demo user can change this permission. For okay, demo user can change this permission because demo is the owner of this directory. Okay, so let's try to change this permission. Let we want to give the read permission for everyone for this directory. So what we can do right now, we can just give the chmod 744 on demo. Now let's check the. Now here we can see that we change the permission to uh, for group is read and also for other users can also read the data of demo. Okay, so let's try to access by users or right now just enter the password. So here I am explaining the every aspect. So here just now try to use rs command one more time. Now we are successfully able to ls because here demo user gave the permission for listing. So let's try to just use the pwd command here. Okay, we are in home. Okay, okay. So just we want to ls first of all cd to demo. Is we are able to change directory? No, it's saying permission denied. Okay. Why it's saying permission denied? Why Saurabh user is not able to change directly to demo? Because execute permission is also right and right permission is also a required permission for changing any directory, right and execute. So if you want to change to any directory, then what are the access level we must have? So must have access level is read, write, execute. If you want to just use the CD, like here Saurabh is the other for demo. Okay. So one more time, just we go to the demo. Now just use the pwd command here. Okay, we are in home. So ls here, ls hyphen ltr here. So it's showing okay. Right now we just add one more or other only. So O plus which permission I want to add here W and X for which demo. Okay. Just switch to Saurabh. Enter your passwords. I user Saurabh. And we will see this time like here just check out to the PWD. We are at home. Okay. Right now we want to just cd to demo. Which we are able to cd. Yes. Now Saurabh user is able to change their current directory to demo. Okay, now we can use ls here. Uh, Now this time we can see that here bash file 1 and file 2 is here. We are successfully able to read this. Okay, so what we can do right now? Just we want to uh, read the content of bash.sh. So just we want to cat So it's saying yes, we are successfully able to read this. Why? Because here we already said, like if you check the permission of bash, then it shows other can read this. Okay, like Saurabh is other for this character. Okay, now this have permission, read permission is applied here, but we are not able to write. Like Saurabh user is not able to write here. Like let's try to write here. Just we use nano bash dot sh. Okay, let's try to modify this. So just echo enter here. Echo successfully modified. Let's try to save this. So it's saying error. Writing bash.sh permission denied error is here. Okay, because this Saurabh user did not have any write or execute permission on this file. Okay. So how we can just get this write permission? So only owner, group owner or current owner of this file can change permission. Okay. Just control X here. Yes, we want to exit. Say modified buffer. No, no, we don't want to save. So because it will give the permission deny it either every time we want to when we want to save this. So what we can do now? So for changing only right now only root is the primary owner of any file and demo is the secondary owner for this file and only demo and root can change the permission for bash.sh because this file did not belong from the user Saurabh. User Saurabh is other for this file. So let's do the demo. So just okay. Now we switch to the demo. Now we change chmod. Just we want to increase the write permission for other. So we can just use the O plus W here. Okay. Not exclude. Okay, for which that's dot sh. Okay. Now check the okay. Now here we can see that read and write is applied for other. Now other is able to modify this bash. So let's switch to the user Saurabh here. Uh, let we this time we will try to modify bash.sh. So this time we are going to use the vi bash.sh. Okay, just go into the insert mode. Okay, my phone is ringing. Just Mm, right here, one more line. Eco is successfully modified this script. Okay, now just escape W and Q. Yes. Now this time Saurabh is successfully able to write at bash.sh file. Okay, just check the here one more time. The current permission for bash.sh. Now here it add I already saw this as read and write permission here. But let's try to execute this. So okay, it's saying permission denied error. So we have to use let this user try to increase this permission for like this user try to change the permission to O plus X or vice versa. If this user is able to is sort of is able to change this permission, answer is no. It gave the permission denied error, like changing permission of bash.sh operation not permitted. So this operation can be only performed by the either root user, either the current owner of this bash.sh file. Okay. So who is the owner of this bash.sh file? Demo user is the owner of this bash.sh file. So we have to just switch to demo. Right now, just give the password for demo user, and we are here. What we can do now? Just now we are we have authority of demo users. Okay, so we can just exclude the chmod. We want to increase permission for other users. So we have to specify O. And what permission we want to increase? We want to increase execute permission. For which file we want to give? We want to give permission for bash.sh. Okay, let's check the current permission for bash.sh. Okay, right now other user also have read, write and execute permission. Okay, so what we can do right now? We can just switch to Saurabh user and we will check. So each user Saurabh is able to perform execute operation on bash.sh file or not. So just trying to execute bash.sh here. Okay, now we are successfully able to execute this bash script. Like, hello, this is sample script and we successfully modified this script. Okay. So till now, I explained the how just we can change the permission for user and other, not for the group. Now read permission is applied for group. Let add a user. First of all, let just go to the root here right now. Okay, just we go to the root directory. We will make a member of group demo. Let first of all get etc groups. Okay, no such file or directory. Okay, okay. So it's saying demo group is also here. So just we want to uh, just I want to make a member. Uh, I will make Saurabh user. I will change the group of Saurabh user to demo. Okay, so that I am able to show what are the group permission, how we can just play with the group permission. Okay, so what command we can execute right now? We are so here we can use the user mode command like user mode hyphen g. I want to make member of demo service user product. So it's saying user mode cannot log etc pass wd. Try again later. So it also saying some types of error cannot log etc pass w. Try again later. Why it's saying because user Saurabh did not have any authority to make itself member of any group. So who can make member of this group? Only the group owner like demo can make and root can make. Now this time we are going to use the super user privileges. In actuality, this command user mode like we want to change the group. So here we can also use the change csgrp command. Okay, so we can also use the user mode command when we logged in as demo. But here we want to perform same operation like we want to make a member of group demo. We want user Saurabh has membership of group demo. So what we can do right now? We can just change it by using chgrp command. chgrp-g and want to change membership of this user's Saurabh. Okay, chgrp help command. Okay, let we execute by using the user mode command. I will tell why we face this error. You can also just try to find why because chgrp command change the group in different way and also user mode work in different way. So I will explain it later. Okay. Let just set etc group here one more time. So here we can see that accept uh, inclu- including demo. Saurabh is also a member of this demo group. Okay, so user demo is also member of itself like demo group, and now right now Saurabh is also a member. User Saurabh is a member of demo group. So now group permission will apply for user Saurabh. So what we can do right now? Just switch to the Saurabh user. First of all, let just yes, we just switch to the Saurabh. Okay, right now we switch to the Saurabh user. Let's go to the CD demo. Now just use ls command. So it's saying no directory is here. Okay, because it's in CD from demo. It's saying permission denied. Why? This time group permission is applied on user Saurabh. Not the other permission will apply on user Saurabh. So when we try to let's try to check the permission. Uh, ls hyphen ld home thing. Okay. So it so only read permission is here, but for changing directory, what I already explained, read and write and also execute permission is required. So how we can just increase only root can change permission, either demo user can change the permission of the group section. Okay, right now just I want to change the permission of this group section. So first of all, let's switch to the demo. Okay, okay. Now let cd to first of all home demo. It, yes, demo is able to cd. So what I want to do, just I want to change the permission of demo. So just go here and let us here. Okay, demo is here. Right now, just I want to change permission. So this time I want to change only group permission to be. I want to increase group permission with W and X. Okay. So here just I give the directory name chmod g plus wx. Now this time this will change the permission for only group users. Okay. Let's check the output of. Okay. Okay. Now this time you can see that read, write, execute is for everyone because right now we also change the permission for group users. So switch to the Saurabh because Saurabh is the member of demo group. Here we can see that user is group and uh, user and group both are demo. Now let's change to the switch to the Saurabh and we will check each now Saurabh is able to city. Okay, just you. Okay, just we want to city into demo. Okay, it's saying no such file order. Okay, just you jealous here. Okay, home is here. Okay, just use city demo. Now we successfully able to here go here. Now we can see that ls. Okay, here we are also able to list. Saurabh is able to list. Now Saurabh is the member of group demo. Now all the permission which are given to group demo is applied here. So let's check the let's open LTR all. So here we can see that we just changed the permission for only demo user. We other did not have other have only read permission for these files. Okay, so we have to so we did not have any authority to write in any one of these files. Okay, any one of these files. Let's try to write to base.sh. So just go here and write something like so just let I want to delete this. Okay. Now just want to press Ctrl S. It will give the error writing base.sh permission denied because we did not have right permission. Right now we are acting as a member of demo group and demo group did not have any permission to write on this file. Okay, so just press Ctrl S, say no, enter here. Okay, so who can change this permission? Only demo user or root user can change this directory permission. Let's try to switch one more time. So I hope I am able to clarify all the section like user section, other section, and other section. User section, group section, and other section. Okay. And I am also able to give how we can use numeric value or we can use the symbolic method for specifying the permission for any user or any group, okay, or to others, okay. So I hope I'm able to clarify all. Let I want to just give the permission, right permission to this group. So first of all, just change to the demo. So we are switched to the demo user and we will give the read, write, execute permission for all the files. So how we can just give that? So for giving, we can just write here chmod uh, hyphen r for recursorily. I want to give this permission like for I want to just give for the group users. Okay, so we can use the g plus w rwx. Okay, for which I want to give home and for and directory name is demo. Okay, hit enter. Now just go to just switch to the Saurabh user, which is a member of group demo. So just go here, user password. Okay, let's erase here. Okay, now this file are here. Now we can see that its symbol is now, its color is now in green. So we can just make a guess. Now this time, this file are in executable. Like read write execute permission is applied for this user sort. Okay. So just one more time, just use LSF and LTR to make sure we have the read write execute permission. Okay. We can see that we have read write execute permission. Okay. Read write execute permission is applied for the group member. Okay. We can see that here with the owner of this demo, and who is the group owner is demo. Okay, and we user Saurabh is the member of demo. So this inherited the all the permissions which are applied on group demo is inherited by the member Saurabh. Okay, so we will discuss the file permission in more detail. Like we also have advanced permission, which is setfacl and getfacl, which is managed by setfacl and getfacl, and we have also some special permission here. So we will discuss this type of permission in next part. Okay. So for this video, we are done with the basic permission. So thanks for watching this video, friends.